Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now. और यहाँ हम आए हैं after having a wonderful time in Misfat Al Abreen. So this is a real nice place with a very comfortable seating area, and their lights were also nice and soothing, and their coffee menu is also impressive. तो यहाँ पर almost सब कुछ है. Whatever you want, like not the regular ones, like usually they have only cappuccinos and latte, but they have V60, they had French press. I didn't see AeroPress there, so if you're looking for that, then I'm not sure, but a really nice place which can be recommended. So this guy is preparing Cortado, I guess, right now, because what we ordered is Americano. When you are avoiding milk, the best thing you can enjoy is Americano, or French press, or V60 if you want to sit there for a long time. Even AeroPress if it's available, but I feel that V60 is always a better idea. On the go, you cannot enjoy V60, so then Americano. So here is Cortado. It has I think they have used only one shot. Sometimes they use two to make it like less strong. So this is what we ordered, and now here it goes. So they use cow's milk. Here you can see Al Safa, and it is full fat, not double cream, but full fat. Now here comes my coffee. The camera is a bit shaky, but when you smell the coffee, it's difficult to hold yourself. Here it is.